All right, I think we have time. One more question here. Tyler says he has two sisters and one brother. And in this email, he says they're all in their 60s. Their dad left them a family house in his will. Tyler says his sisters and brothers have various medical problems, and he is wondering after they pass on, can he sell the house, pocket the money, or does the money need to be shared amongst his siblings and the kids? And I suspect that's how the will is written. And the deed is written. Is that right, Lee?
Well, yes, the deed would the will would say if it goes to all four of these children per stirpes or equally, then all four of them, and then if they pass away, their issue, which is their children or their grandchildren, are entitled to their 25% of the home or the value of the home, the equity. Obviously, if he's saying I'm paying for their medical bills and whatnot, he can obviously make an agreement with them that he gets paid back. But just in general, the court is going to require whoever's in charge of that will and in charge of that estate to divide the proceeds based upon the language in the will.
Would you say the important thing to do, probably even right now for Tyler, is to contact an attorney and review and get some more information before anything else happens?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm sure Lee and Limestone can handle that as well as other things. But I would tell you, Tyler, this is one of those things you do not want to push until after there are deaths in the family. Make sure you have a clear idea of what will happen, because otherwise you're going to be turning your head left and right in a time of sorrow and sadness, and that's the worst thing that could happen to you. I feel for you. I really do. Well, we are out of time. My thanks to our folks who have stayed with us this half hour. Again, Lee Harris, who is legal counsel over at Limestone Title and Escrow. They do an amazing job of getting your loan closed. They're accurate. They're to the letter of everything that needs to be done. You don't have to worry when you work with Limestone Title and Escrow. You can reach Lee at 649-7964. Also, if you're planning on buying a house now, in the near future, you want to make sure you get the best rates. And what I could tell you is that Randy Rocky and Swan Financial will shop the loan to make sure you're getting the best rates. You can check with other mortgage companies, no problem. But I'm just telling you, Randy will do the job, and his people will get out there and get you the best rate. You can reach Randy at 645-0736. Thank you both for being here. And if you are thinking of selling your home now or in the future, or buying a home, I have a team of agents, and when it comes to selling, I'm the guy who will come out. We'll talk either on the phone or Zoom or in person. I'd love to come out. We talk about the process, walk around the house. I'll give you suggestions if there's anything that's needed, and we'll maybe make a path to how you can get your home on the market and find the next one. You can reach me on my cell phone at 376-5483, or go to bobsellslouisville.com. And for a free instant analysis of what your home is worth, go to WeSellLouisville.com and click on the top of the page and fill out the form. That's a computer estimate. We're out of time. We'll see you next Sunday on News Radio 840 WHA.